Pharmacy offered the opportunity for me to be in a hospital, which I was really thrilled about, treat patients, help patients, and work with really intelligent, brilliant, in some cases, physicians.
Lately, Jeff has been the COVID-19 vaccine coordinator and says of his 30-plus years, 2020 was the most difficult yet.
It was intense to begin with, and we were busy enough at Baptist South. And then COVID came along to add another 100 to 200 patients with a virus that we couldn't really adequately treat, which is where the vaccine comes in. If you can't treat it, maybe we can prevent it.
Jeff is honored to be nominated, but says he's just doing what he loves. As for what he wants to do when things go back to normal,
my wife and I enjoy cruising, and I would like to go on a cruise once this is all over with again. Right now, that's not possible. Maybe with more vaccination, it will be.
And this morning, we are joined live by First Coast Living's Jordan Wilkerson. Meet two more superheroes in scrubs. Jordan, I mentioned you were up early. Holy moly, hit that alarm, ready and raring to go. All right, who we got? Who's this fine, strapping young man we've got with you right there?
We have got Dr. Gary Josephson. He is the Chief Medical Officer here at Nemours. And did I say it right, Nemours?
Nemours.
Nemours. See, I'm still learning. I'm just new to the area, guys, and all of these wonderful hospitals and all of these wonderful superheroes and scrubs. I'm so excited to be a part of this. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
And I just want to offer this to you here, present you with this Superheroes and Scrubs shirt awesome. On behalf of First Coast News. And so how does that make you feel to be honored? You and your hospital and your team, how does that make you feel to be honored in this way?
Well, the real honor goes to all the people that work in this building. It's not only our physicians, but it's also our nurses, it's our medical assistants, it's everybody that's been in the healthcare world. You know, we've had the greatest challenge in the last year, probably the greatest challenge that I can think of in my lifetime with COVID. And our teams tirelessly worked hard, changed the way they delivered care, made sure that the community was still cared for safely, and that every child continued to get the care that they needed. And that's what Nemours stands for, and that's what our associates do. They know that taking care of children is the most important thing, and we want to make the healthiest, happiest next generation of children.
I was about to say, the children are our future, and
Absolutely.
Can you hear his passion? You've been doing this for quite some time. How long?
21 years here at Nemours, but more than 21 years as a physician.
Wow, it's amazing. And you are a physician. I want to know, what kind are you really quickly?
I'm a pediatric otolaryngologist, head and neck surgeon.
And what?
Pediatric ear, nose, and throat.
Ear, nose, and throat. There you go.
Yep.
And so, do you consider? You said you consider them superheroes.
Absolutely.
But what are you most proud of? Just keeping everything going in a time of crisis?
Well, you know, that, yes, there's no question. But what I am so proud of is their passion, their commitment to take care of children, and them wanting to go ahead and do the mission of Alfred I. DuPont and Nemours, which is, like I said, taking care of every child, regardless of their ability to pay, regardless of their age, their race, their everything. We just, if its child is there, we take care of them.
Equality. Okay, so also I want to talk about hearing of a name change. Can you explain that?
Absolutely. So, you know, this is a really exciting day, and yesterday was a very, very exciting day. Yesterday was Founders Day. Alfred I. DuPont, who actually founded Nemours in the 1930s, and he left a trust to take care of children regardless of their ability to pay. He wanted to make sure every child had an opportunity out there to have a happy, healthy life. And we have a name change whereby we're now going to be called Nemours Children's Health, because we're in multiple states and we want to make sure that everything is represented. And also, we're also have a strategy change. And so Nemours is now looking to the future. We're a very innovative organization, and we're looking to transform how healthcare is delivered to children by partnering with schools, partnering with families, and making sure that we do preventive care as well as take care of kids that have acute issues as well as emergent issues.
Well, you know, if I had a child, which I know I've got dog babies, but I would definitely want you to be in charge. You just seem like you've got all the info and you're so passionate, and I'm so grateful for you and your team and your hospital. And hey, by the way, I did practice the name, and of course, as soon as I'm live on TV, I mess it up. So don't think I didn't do my homework, but thank you so much for your time this morning. And reporting live from Nemours, this is Jordan Wilkerson, First Coast News on your side. I gotta get that right too, guys.
Thanks, Jordan. We appreciate the shirts. Our team is great.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping us recognize our local healthcare professionals. Superheroes in Scrubs on First Coast News.